This is how exciting the opening ceremonies are for the 2010 Winter Olympics. Mike and I are holding strong. We have about 30 minutes left. And we come to the conclusion that no one will ever bomb Canada because they're such a happy country. If you watched any of the opening ceremonies, you'll know what I'm saying. This would make anyone excited to compete in the games. Hallelujah, that's all I have to say. Hallelujah. Laura, what did you think of the 2010 Winter Olympic opening ceremonies? Anything else?